Hello all. Today let's solve one question on how to find the closest value in the binary search tree. Here we given one tree and target value. Our task is to find the closest value in this given tree. BST has a property where for a particular node, left node will come smaller and right node will come larger. Here in our example 2, when you consider the root node 10, the left is having the smaller value and right is having the larger value. We can make use of this property to travel a binary search tree to find its closest value. Let's start solving this by creating a two variable current node and closest value. Let me initialize both with the root value 10. To find the closest value, we need to find the distance between target to current node and target to closest value. And you have to compare the result to find the closest value, which means when your target to current comes smaller, then you need to update your closest value to the current node value. So here too, when we compare 12 with current node 10 and compare 12 with closest value 10, here we are getting equal result 2 and 2. So there is no need to update the closest value. With this we can travel the tree. Since it is a binary search tree, as I said previously, when your target is smaller than the current node, just travel towards left. Else you need to travel towards right. Since your target 12 is greater than 10, so you need to follow the traveling logic to travel towards right. So now let me update my current node as 15. With this new current node value, let's try to find the target to current and target to closest distance again. So as a result, now we are getting 3 and 2. So 3 is greater than 2. So in this case also we don't need to update the closest. Now let's again travel the tree. Since the 12 is less than your 15, which means you have to travel towards left. So let me update my current node as 13. With the new current node value, let's try to find the closest to the target again by applying the formula. So now we are getting 1 and 2. So this is the proper case to update our closest value. So now let's again travel the tree. Since our target is less than 13, which means we can't travel towards any more left because we don't have any more node. And our program ends here with the answer 13.
Here I have one function called as the find closest in the BST, which accepts the two arguments, one is the tree and another one is the target element. Let me start off by initializing the two variables. So one is a current node, which is tree, and another one is a closest value, which is tree.value. Let me start and run a while loop until this current node turns to null. To find out which is closest to your target, what you need to do is you have to find the result of target minus closest with target minus current node value. If you find your current node result is less than the closest, then you have to update your closest with the current node value. Now it's time to update a current node. Since it is a binary search tree, we can make use of its behavior. That is, if your target is less than the current node, then travel to the left. If it's greater than your current node, then you have to travel towards right. If you find if they are equal, then you have to break the loop.